This video demonstration content is applicable to SolisStorage FlexHome 05 to 40 kWh-L. Before installation, please read the manual and check the packaging list. Please prepare the corresponding tools for product transportation, installing, wiring, etc. on site. Product unloading. Arrange for 2 installers to unload the product from the transport vehicle. It is recommended to use a hand truck e-trolley to transport the unopened product to the installation site. Battery unpacking. Unpack all the outer cartons. Remove all accessories from the packaging. Remove the plastic protective bag. Unpacking completed. Battery installation. Select a location that meets the battery installation site requirements and has a level floor. Prepare the base, leveling feet, and level ruler. Install the leveling feet onto the base. Place the base at the chosen installation location and use the level ruler to ensure the base is leveled. Prepare all battery packs and the combiner box to be installed. 2 persons should install the battery packs onto the base one by one from the side. Finally, install the combiner box at the top. Prepare M5 screws. Use the M5 screws to secure each stacked section at the side fixing points, ensuring that the stacked batteries are installed stably and securely. Battery side cable installation. Install the positive and negative power cables on the battery side at the control box. Install the communication cable on the battery side and connect it to the link-in port. Install the ground wire on the battery side. Prepare the M5 screws and the wiring protection cover. Align the holes on the side of the protection cover with the corresponding bosses on the combiner box. Push the cover inward to install it, and then secure the protection cover with the M5 screws. Inverter installation and wiring. Confirm the inverter installation point above the main battery. It is recommended that the installation point be 100 centimeters higher than the battery. Use a drill bit that matches the specifications of the inverter mounting bracket bushing to drill holes at the installation points on the wall. Use screws to secure the inverter mounting bracket to the corresponding points, ensuring that the bracket is installed firmly. According to the cable type, route the wire through the corresponding cable channel at the bottom of the inverter. Install the AC side cable. And connect the communication cable to the BMS module port. Install the CT ammeter. Install the PV connection cable. Install the grid connection cable. Install the load connection cable. Install the smart port connection cable. Ensure all cables are installed securely and in place. System startup and setting. Before starting the system, please recheck the cable routing to ensure all connections are secure and there is no risk of short circuit. Close the battery main circuit breaker. Close the battery low voltage switch. Turn on the distribution switch. Start the inverter and wait for the inverter screen to light up. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth, open the Solis Cloud app, select Service, and then tap Quick Commission. In the Bluetooth device list, select the Bluetooth device corresponding to the data logger's Bluetooth signal, and enter the Quick Commission setup. Step 1. Establish the network connection for the data logger. Step 2. Device configuration. Basic parameters: set the system time, battery parameters, and meter ACT settings. Energy storage mode: set the storage operation mode. System self-check. Step 3. Create plant. Basic plant information. Account settings. More settings, operation, and maintenance related information. Configuration complete.